Genetics of Hypothyroidism by A.M.T. Chigurh. Hashimoto's disease is an autoimmune disease which has symptoms that relate to slow heart rate, slow metabolic processes, so you feel groggy and slow, as well as cold tolerance. The thyroid gland is not producing enough T4 and T3, thus causing TSH levels to increase and other transcription processes to not occur. The thyroid gland is an important gland which regulates hormones in the body. So the basic function of the thyroid is that T3 is sent into circulation and enters the cell's nucleus to bind with thyroid hormone receptors. The thyroid responsive genes are then transcribed in the cell nucleus. Pituitary gland, the order goes from the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, then the T4 and 3T sent into circulation, and then into cell nucleus to transcribe the genes. So for thyroid genetics, there are susceptibility genes, polymorphisms in DIO1, PDA8B, and CAPCB. So phosphodiesterase 8B affects cyclic AMP and slows the rate of T4 production. Homozygotes will see increased TSH levels because of their alleles. The F-actin-capin protein subunit beta chromosome 1 affects how the thyroid reacts to TSH levels. Iodothyronine dehydrogenase 1 catalyzes a breakdown of T4 into 3,3. These genes are not a direct cause of hypothyroidism, but are indirectly supporting it due to their hormone relations. So there is no direct association to the thyroid gland. The indirect implications are affecting the thyroid hormone production. So going to autoimmune disease, the immune system is attacking the thyroid gland through cell apoptosis and T cells. Human leukocyte antigen alleles present and increases chances of hypothyroidism if they are present. T cells recognize the thyroid gland as foreign by the HLA complex, which sort of serves as an index of what's foreign and viral or bacterial in the body and what's healthy cells, thus resulting in an immune response where the thyroid is under attack. These functions affect the severity of the thyroid gland function, but do not cause Hashimoto's disease, as that gene has not been mapped yet and there is still more research to be done. They're precursors and they are not direct causes, just like the susceptibility genes. This is a photo of thyroid cells under attack. There would be white blood cells that attack the thyroid. From personal experience, I have a family history of Hashimoto's disease where all my paternal family members, a majority of them, have hypothyroidism. There is a simple treatment, blood tests every 4 months, and taking the medication levothyroxine, which replaces the T4 protein, which then breaks down into T3 and then so on into the cell nucleus, where it binds the thyroid hormone receptors, so it is transcribed to genes that produce hormones. It is important to monitor this. Most importantly, no substantial effect on life, and anyone with a disease can live a normal life with moderated treatment, which is very easy to do. Thank you for listening to my TEDEd talk.